Hi, all my Wayful friends, Wayful family. I hope you're doing very, very well. Hi again. Right, this week's challenge is going to be a little bit different, okay? It's going to be the Super Likes Challenge. Now, you must know, in order to earn and monetize from Wayful, okay, you get Super Likes. Now, you guys know I give Super Likes away every week, but I'm going to be doing this week a random thing. I'm just going to be giving Super Likes randomly to people who I think deserve those Super Likes. And I've gone that extra mile to earn those Super Likes. But the challenge this week is you've got to super like my post. For every Super Like that you like on my, or every Super Like that you send me on any of our posts, it's one Super Like per entry into the draw on Friday, which one person will win 50 Super Likes. 50. One lucky winner will win 50 Super Likes. Okay? So you have got to go and super like my post to get an entry into the draw. That is how we help each other. I then in turn will randomly go and just choose anybody and give that person a super like. And if each person does that, you end up earning a bit of money. All in US dollars, 14 cents, US dollars, US cents. Add up all those 14 cents for super likes. Okay? So that's what you've got to do. Super like my post, and every Super Like is an entry into the draw, which Friday I will draw one winner of 50 Super Likes. Let's get me going. I'm almost at 8,000 followers. Let's go, my friends. Let's do this.